Holy moly, you made it. This is our last principle, the self-learning paradigm. Now, up to this point, you might be thinking, what did I sign up for? This feels like a self-help course. There's a lot of woohoo magic here that makes me feel good, but nothing got accomplished. And I know, this part I would say was the toughest part to make because there is a lot of concepts that just simply shift your focus, shift your perspective, shift your frame. But what we've learned up until now can actually be combined into this idea of the self-learning paradigm. You see, at the core of self-learning is this idea of personal autonomy. To become a self-learner, an efficient learner, you must choose that path. At the end of the day, no matter what I tell you, how convincing I may be, it's your job to decide that this is the path you want to go on. You have to choose for yourself to be a self-learner. Nobody's going to tell you to learn a topic, to improve your skills, to develop further and further each day. That is a choice that you have to make. Sure, you're going to have external factors like changes in your job or maybe breakups or maybe different promotions at your job. Sometimes you may find that a skill you're learning is no longer fun and you want to pursue something different. You want to learn a new skill instead of improving on an existing one. The idea of the self-learning paradigm is that you need that intrinsic motivation. You need to, from inside of yourself, decide that this is what you want to do. And that is the choice that you make. That you will continue to learn each day, to be an efficient learner each day. And that motivation cannot be taught by me, cannot be convinced by some random person on YouTube or a random book. That has to come from within. But because you're already in this course, you're already watching these videos, I'm willing to bet that you have that inner motivation, which luckily is going to take you very far. Let's move on.